Oh, my darling Deborah, she raised her hand. Oh, and Deborah, I'm hoping you're going to share some nice news. Like we had a meeting this morning. Can
Yep.
you, for the benefit of everybody here, can you share your previous experiences prior to joining the program? Because that's beneficial to some people here. And
Mm.
also what you've been able to encounter so far. Like if you can share that, I think it would be helpful. And maybe uplift some spirits within this group. Can you please share?
Right. Yes. So, Van, before joining your program, I joined a Canadian real estate mentorship program and actually paid more than what I paid you and didn't get anything from that mentorship. Unfortunately, the support was not there that was needed for first-time investors like me. And they just like sent you the materials and no follow-up at all. Like there's no like that level of I would say the how do I say it? Like what would be the proper steps to actually uh, going through that material? They just like gave you 100 hours of material for you to watch, but there's no direction at all. So I've never even had a deal that I work up with any of the market in Canada, unfortunately. So I lost that investment with that mentorship, and and then I joined you last year. I think that was September, if I'm not mistaken. And then from there, we worked on little by little for this journey. And this morning, we had that great conversation. So I was given that deal from a lender that I had created a relationship during my power team creation as well. So this was back in January, right? So this it's now March, so it's been 2 months. But I've kept in touch with these people, and they sent me this deal to look at, and they are willing to finance this for 100%. And
That
we went
is
through this. Yes. Sorry.
that's
Yeah, that's
amazing
amazing. Yeah.
accomplishment, and I'm glad to that you. I'm blessed to have you in my program, and I love
Hmm.
hearing your story. I'll do everything I can in my power to make sure that we cross the finish line. The deal we
Yeah.
talked about this morning, that's a great deal in that. It's a deal that not only that you're going to get the purchase for the funding 100%, but also for the renovation. And
Renovation. Yeah.
at the end of the day, folks, if you have an opportunity, and there's lenders out there that will do that, you just got to look around. You gotta dig around. You gotta get in there and create relationships. And some of you already know what I'm talking about in your interactions with lenders out there. But it is possible to be able to find these opportunities where you can get funding on the purchase as well as the renovation. And this particular deal that Deborah brought, we analyzed this morning, and it looks good to go. So
Hmm.
now it's just a matter of you working back and forth, getting things done. And again, if you need anything from me, you just reach out and we'll get it. So just get it across the finish line. I'm looking forward to it. So I'm really proud of your efforts. I'm happy. I'm good. I felt really good today because of what you shared with me this morning. So thank you for that. I'm blessed to
Thank
have
you,
you.
Van. Yes. So our